Hi, I'm Maurice Glavin. You might know me from City Floor Supply with my brothers Mike, my brother Joe, my sister Mary. Today, I'm with Total Scope Incorporated, the medical device repair company that I founded, and we're in the business of helping hospitals and the Department of Defense all over the world with their medical endoscopes, rigid endoscopes, cameras and couplers. And we have a great system and a great opportunity here at Total Scope to install an American cherry floor engineered over concrete. We want to talk about how this process got started and what products we used and why we chose those products. Installing engineered flooring over concrete is a glue down process. So we had to glue it down, and we had to pick a glue that we really had confidence in. So we used Bostik's Green Force. Why do we choose Bostik's Green Force? Well, first of all, we needed something that had great holding characteristics, and it has a great moisture barrier. And that was important to us because you don't know what the future is going to bring. Third is we had to really think about using a hardwood floor in a conference room and in a training room. We really had to get a feel for sound deadening. So Green Force has some particles in it that also help with sound deadening, as do some of the wallpaper and some of the other things that we have in here. So one of the things that we really wanted to take care of was making sure that we could operate our business and at the same time allow this beautiful floor to be put in. We're around optics, we're around video integrated chips, we're around wiring harnesses. So it's important that we had dust containment. So Mike and Joe got to work on that, and they made sure that the contractor that was selected was going to be able to meet that obligation for dust containment. So the Hummel that he used and the edger that he used from Clark were both on the best dust containment system available. We had to also pick the finish, right? So this is a conference room and a training room. So we have a lot of activity in here, and it comes with a lot of people, right? So when we're doing training, we have videos, we have vendors here, we have customers here. So we wanted a floor that was going to hold up to traffic and was going to hold up to being pounded on in a routine commercial setting. We picked Bona's Natural. One, great hardness, and two, as a water-based finish, we're also able to control the sheen. As you can see, it's just a beautiful, beautiful floor.